I am going to review the answer key walkthrough for practice 1. I'll review why I structured the heading levels this way, why I used a numbered list, and talk about how I decided to describe the alt text for the images. Just a heads up, I am using the Wave tool, which allows me to review the accessibility of a web page quickly. As you can see, I am not in the edit view of this page. Below this video, there is more information about the Wave tool if you are interested. Let's start with headings. Hopefully, you've had a chance to compare your edited page with the answer key. Let's review the answer key for headings. Heading 1 is answer key, practice 1, sample of what you could do, welcome. Woohoo, you're here, welcome is header 2. What to do before our next meeting is header 3. After you check out the courses is header 3. New kid on the block is header 4. Been there, done that is header 4. Digging the graphics on this page is header 2. Let's walk through how I applied these headers. When I apply headings to a page, I begin with defining the main ideas. In this example, as I scroll down the page, I identify woohoo, you're here, and digging the graphics on this page as main topics. Main topics are standalone topics. For example, if I look at woohoo, you're here, welcome, the following are subtopics that make sense as being nested under that main topic. So what to do before our next meeting, after you check out the courses, new kid on the block, been there, done that, are related to the main idea, woohoo, you're here, welcome. That makes sense. As I scroll down the page, I can see that digging graphics on this page is header 2 as it's a new topic, independent from the first topic, woohoo, you're here, welcome. Now let's talk about true lists. In the practice page, the dash list was not a true list. You can tell it wasn't a true list because the Rich Content Editor did not highlight any of the to list tool options. Why are these courses numbered lists? In the instructions, I've described to the participants that they need to check out the courses in the following order, aka there is a specific sequence. Using the numbered list provides more information on how I want the participants to move forward with this information. Finally, let's talk about the alt text of this page. First, let's talk about the images. Beginning at the top of the page, there is a banner of random California images and me, a Polaroid framed image of me, a picture of my name, another picture of me with the words ready, let's start, and finally a red start button. The intention of this page is to introduce myself, my role, and a couple of actions the participant should complete before our next meeting. The banner at the top has the alt text, a banner collage of California locations, Liesl and Joshua Tree, Joshua Trees, an ocean, and the Golden Gate Bridge. You may infer that I am from California based on the images, or perhaps that I like to travel. Remember, this is a welcome page, and one of my intentions is to help the audience get to know me a little bit. The next image is a Polaroid framed image of me. This section talks a little bit about me, and I was hoping to humanize this welcome page a bit with my face. The alt text is simple as Liesl wearing a rancher hat. Why would I wear a rancher hat? Maybe I like to travel or hike. Do you see how I've created a story with meaningful alt text? The purpose is to recreate the same impression across the board for all students. The next image is a written signature of my name, Liesl. Because there is writing involved, the alt text is quotations, Liesl. Here's another image of me with the words ready, let's start, with the alt text Liesl covering her smile with her hand, quotations ready, let's start. Again, we're using language to describe the emotions we see in the picture. Finally, the red start button's alt text is quotations, start button. Through formatting and applying accessibility principles such as headings, lists, and alt text, remember that you are the author. You determine how things are grouped and related to one another, and how you want to describe the elements that help tell your story throughout your course. Help your learners understand your story by using the Rich Content Editor's tools. You just learned why I structured the heading levels this way, why I used a numbered list, and how I created meaningful alt text for the images on practice 1. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.